Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi Pad 5 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the privacy protection. Let's tap. Now we have to scroll down in this right section, not red section, and tap on special permissions. Here let's find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And in order to change it, so for example, in order to allow Chrome to install something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see here, we've got the warning that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually your whole device at risk. So remember about that, and if you're ready, just mark this statement and tap on OK. And as you can see, this option is active, and after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, and you can remove the permission whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back, the Chrome is again not allowed to install anything. So actually, this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Xiaomi Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.